Hi, my name is Tavner Carey. I'm Vice President of Product Development for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm here to walk you through all of our new products, and we have a lot of new products today to show you. So, first of all, we're going to start with our USB power tools. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with the good old USB port. So this can plug into, of course, your wall through your phone adapter or whatever, but it can also plug into your computer, or you could buy a power bank, which we sell one, and you can plug it into a power bank, which essentially turns this into a portable tool. So I could take this with me anywhere. This is a rotary tool right here, but I can actually power two tools at the same time with this, and it's going to last up to 5 hours. So we have our rotary tool. All of our tools come with multiple tips. So right now it's set to be a sanding tool, so I can sand my paper right there. But I can also remove the tip, and I could turn it into a wood engraver. We have our heat tool right here, which has a wood burning tip as well as a fusing tip. And those just pop right in, like that. And then we have our glue gun, which also has two tips. So it has a fine tip and a standard tip. So again, I can use any two at the same time with my power bank, and I can take them wherever I want to. So let's move on. Let's show you a couple other things. Right here we have our new Label It label maker. This does two different sizes. It actually does a standard size, you can see right here, as well as a super wide size, which is really cool. You just rotate the dial to the letter that you want to emboss, you push the handle, and you can cut it right here. I want to show you our Precision Press Advanced. This is a really great new stamping tool. So, let me get some paper. I'll just stamp on this, this will work. Got some scrap paper here. So it has super strong magnets. What's really great about this, what I love about it, is it's a straight down pressure. So instead of angled, like most stamping devices on the market, this is a straight down pressure. Now I need to re-ink this, but I wanted to ink it to begin with to show you, how perfectly it aligns up. All right, so I've inked that. And then again, just with this peg and hole system, straight down pressure, there we go. We get it perfectly inked and stamped every time. I can actually use this on its own too, so I don't have to use it with the precision press. All right, what else do we got? Let me show you our Plum Storage. So this is really great. I know crafters have lots of little items, whether they have little embellishments, paper clips, maybe you're a jewelry maker and you have a bunch of beads. So this is the perfect storage device for you. You can see all the little compartments. But what I love about it, with one twist, I can see everything. I can grab whatever I need. Closes up that easily. There's even a little hidden compartment at the top. So perfect storage device for all your little embellishments. Let me show you our square punch board. So this has some measurement guides along the sides. So I can set this to any size between 3/4 inch on up to 3x4. So I've set this at 2x3 right now. I'm going to put my paper in here. It's going to hit my guides, and I'm going to punch it, and then I can actually just keep sliding it along, and I can keep punching this size over and over again. So there we go. I have my 2x3 inch little cards punched out. I can, move this up to 3x4 inches, put this back in here, punch it again. So tons of different sizes that I can punch, and it makes it super quick and easy to get custom squares and rectangles. Let me show you our Happy Jig. All right, this is the We Are Happy Jig, and it's a wire bending tool. It actually comes with a bunch of pegs, it comes with wire clippers, and a really great instruction booklet that has lots of project ideas in here. We also have an Instagram account, We R Happy Jig, that has hundreds of ideas on there with the instructions on how to make it. So I put my pegs into place, and the instructions, again, show me where to put my pegs and how to bend my wire. I've done this a bunch, so I don't need to look at my instructions, but I am going to spell out the word hello for you right now. There we go. Pop this off. Flatten it down. And then I can cut the ends off with my wire cutter. And there we go. So yeah, I think I kind of gave you the quick tour of all of our new tools. I mean, there's a few more things that we have, but hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about the products that we offer. Thanks.